Hello, welcome to my channel Cooking Quest by Sheetal. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make soft and tasty peanut and chocolate cookies. The heavenly flavor of peanuts and this combination of peanut butter and chocolate is wonderful. If you serve them warm, they will melt in your mouth. If you like my recipe, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe for more interesting recipes and click on the bell icon for all recipe updates. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram too. Let's get started. Thanks for watching. See you with another recipe. Bye bye.